Welcome to Tai Chi for Morning Energy. This flow will help you awaken your energy, improve focus, and bring clarity and calm to your morning. So don't worry about getting the movements perfect. I'll be your mirror image, and you can have a seat at any time. The hands can float down by the sides. As you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front, gather in the energy, bring it in towards the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in and breathing out, taking as many breaths as you need. Just keep on breathing. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up like mist from the lake. And then floating down like a gentle rain as you breathe out. Opening the door. Starting the journey. Adding in some gentle movements to start our flow. All right, one more time, open the door. And then from here, the arms float out to the side, spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline, pressing up overhead, and then floating out and down. Holding up the sky. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders and the chest. Decompressing the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. Switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. This time, if you like, you can do a side bend, just easing in. One more time, connecting sky and earth. And the bottom hand comes up, push to the corner, the other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner, the dragon spreads its wings. Nice and easy, gentle rotation, pushing to the corner. One more time. And then the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail, making little ripples in the water, sending waves out into the distance. One more time, drift across. The hands come together, prayer position. They float across the eye level, and then across the heart, and then lower abdomen, the swimming dragon floating back up for another round. You can lean into it if you like. It's feeling fluid. Floating back up, another round, coming up high, and then medium, and then down low. One more round, the swimming dragon. Opening the wrists and the elbows, and then the shoulders. And then release, round out, hugging the tree right out in front. And then shift all your weight over to one side, draw the hands in as you step in, step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Draw the hands back in, and push back out, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then this time, the hands turn, scooping, going right towards the back, and then coming all the way out and around like a big hug, and then scooping to the back. Spiraling the arms, coming forward. We call this the backward spirals. Sending the energy to the back. All right, one more time, the backward spirals. And then from here, the hands flow back in towards the heart as you step the front foot in, shift the weight, step in, and then step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. Once again, take as many breaths as you need. feeling the sensations. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then this time, reverse direction, the hands spiral. They scoop under towards the back. And then all the way out and around like you're gonna give a big hug, and then scoop to the back. Breathing in and breathing out. Coming forward as the arms come forward, and then shift back as they spiral to the back. One more time, the backward spirals. Very nice. This time, step the front foot back in and hug the tree and soften. From here, step one foot out a little bit wider. The fingers point down as you soften down towards the earth. Then the hands come forward, all the way up and over, down in front of the body, digging in the garden. Just coming down as much as you can comfortably, rising back up. All right, one more time. Digging in the garden. And then reversing direction, the hands float up all the way out and down as we harvest from the garden. Big circles, coming up and over, all the way around. One more time. This time, round out, hugging the big tree. The arms open wide. This hand scoops under, the other one on top as you embrace the moon, and then pivot on the heel. The toes point out to the side, and then the moon orbits around the earth, circling the hands around as if you're carrying something precious. Gentle rotation, never forcing it. And then reverse direction. The moon orbits the earth. One more time. And then hug the tree, bring it back to center, pivoting on the heel. The arms open wide. Then this hand scoops under, the other one on top as you embrace the moon. Pivot on the heel, pointing the toes out to the other side. The moon orbits the earth. Once again, circling the arms around, tuning into the sensations. You might even start to feel a little tingling, warmth, feeling the energy. And then reverse direction, circulating the energy throughout the body, increasing the blood flow as well. And then when you're ready, you can hug the tree, bring it back to center. You can step the foot in a little bit closer. Here, both arms drift over to the side and down, this time floating up to shoulder height. And then switching sides. From here, this hand scoops down and then comes right out in front to eye level. And then down, same side, just the arms at first. The hand comes right out in front, the other hand by the hip. All right, this time you can lift your leg on the same side as the arm coming up in front. Touching down as needed, the rooster stands on one leg. Touching down or lifting up, as always, just meeting yourself where you're at. You can always go forward from there. Just letting go of judgment the best you can. One more time on this side, the rooster stands on one leg. Then the arms drift over to the other side, floating up to shoulder height, taking your time. This hand here scoops down and then comes right out in front to eye level. And then down. And once again, just the arms at first on the same side. The hand comes out in front, the other one by the hip. Down. This time you can lift your leg if you like. The rooster stands on one leg. You can always touch down. Touching down or lifting up. It's okay to wobble. Promise I won't get mad. One more time. The rooster stands on one leg. And then circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the arms open up wide. The wrists cross down low as you soften down. Then as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down. Gathering the energy from the earth, giving it back to the sky above, harmonizing yin and yang, creating balance and harmony in the body and mind. One more time. Harmonize yin and yang. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, both arms drift over to the side and down. And this time you can keep them down low, just drifting side to side. Once again, a nice gentle sway. And then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the toes out in front. Bring them back in. Shift the weight other side, tap the toes. This time tap the toes, the opposite hand dips down into the sea as you hinge from the hips, keeping the spine long. Coming back up, other side. Tap the toes, opposite hand dips down into the sea, the needle at the sea bottom. Other side, breathing in and breathing out. One more time, you don't have to go very low. The needle at the sea bottom. And then step back in, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, both arms drift over to the side, making two loose fists. And then from here, we're gonna drag the clouds across the sky, and then switching sides, the storm clouds. Breathing in, breathing out. Keeping the fists nice and loose, using only what you need. Shifting the weight. One fist on top, the other right across the horizon. One more time, storm clouds. And then both arms circle down, floating out in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, one hand on top of the other. This hand here floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften the hips and knees. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. Then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart. And we can finish with a bow. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you did, this class is part of our free monthly clickable calendar program. Just click the link below to get your free monthly clickable calendar. Thank you so much, and I look forward to having you in class again real soon. Peace.